Do you want to take your product images to the next level, taking them from the boring white background to images like these? Then this video is for you. I will show you how to take any image online and create your own high quality image for ads, marketing, e-com store with your own products. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to train your personal AI chat. I will explain the prompt. I will show you how to implement the prompt. I will show you examples of the workflow and also show you use cases such as e-com stores, ads, marketing, and maybe you want to sell these services to other businesses as well. All right, to get this started, we go into my school. The link is in the description. We press on this one, AI product swap, and then we go to prompt. We copy the whole prompt. Also have a PDF version if it's easier than one. We open a new, fully new Gemini chat. We put it in here, and then we'll see if it understands its job. As we can see here, it fully understands its job. It will act as image analyzer. And then we can go here. We see it's for physical products. We just give it some examples. We explain to it what the project is about, what we want from him. Very simple. You just have to copy paste it. You don't have to change anything. And then we go to find an image we want to use. So let's say I have a headphone company. So these are my headphones. I want to start selling these headphones, right? So let's go to Unsplash. We can search for headphones. Let's say let's just take this image, for example. We copy it. We put it in our new image here. Our new chat. We say analyze this image, and then we wait for the JSON profile prompt to get back. So now, as we can see, we got our JSON profile. So what we do is we copy this first, we put it into a new chat, and then we copy the JSON profile. You put it in here, and then here we change depending on what size of the image you want. So let's say for Instagram and other social media it's 4:5. For TikTok it's 9:16. I can't change for some reason. All right, there we go. And then we go to my headphones. I just press on it, copy image. I put it in this chat, press tool, create image, and then make sure it's selected on thinking to get Nano Banana Pro, then submit. Let's see the result. Okay, it's done. And here we have the photo. We see that it's our headphones. We can see, look, we have that little thing here. We have that little thing here. And here is the image that we used, right? Let's use a female model this time. So we copy that one. We go back to this one. We don't need to open a new chat. We just go back here, copy paste it, and say analyze. And you can also say give it more details. It's for my headphone companies. You can say the vibe, the luxury, it's more, etc. You understand? The more details you give it, the better output you will get as well. So now we get this. We take this as always, and always open for when you want to create this image. You always want to open a new chat, paste in this, copy paste the code, put it down here, and once again we copy let's do the white headphones this time. Copy it, we put it in here, tools, create image, thinking, submit. All right, so we took this image, right? And we got this image. As you can see here, looks very good. So I can show you another example. Let's take off this. So we just copy paste, we put it in this chat. I would pin this and save it, so you always have it, so you don't have to scroll for it. We just analyze this image. We do the same exact thing. You can see here we got this. We copy it, put a new chat, put it in here. We wait for it to be done. Okay, it looks like it's done. We copy the code. We put it in like this. We take the gray ones now. Let's take the gray ones, copy image. We go back here, copy paste it, tools, create image, thinking, submit. Yeah, let's see what we get. All right, now we got the result. As you can see here, we have the headphones. We have a fully free image to use, no commercial license needed. We created it in a few seconds. As you can see, this chat you can use for anything. It doesn't have to be for headphones. It can be for anything. You just print images like crazy. Now I will show you how to remove this watermark here for free. I'll show you two different ways. One is easier, and I would suggest you do the first one. That's up to you. Okay, now I will show you how to remove the watermark. So all you have to do is first we download the image, and then I'm gonna open Affinity. I would suggest you download this program. So now that we have Affinity open, all we have to do is just drag in our image that we want to remove the watermark from. We will zoom in on the watermark, make sure it's selected here. Then we press on this tool here, or J, as you can see. We just mark the area, and there we go. We have our image fully ready. We just export, make sure it's selected, name it whatever you want, and save. And now I'll show you the second option. So we go to a new tab in Chrome or whatever you have, Photopea. So we open Photopea, we drag in our image here, we zoom in, make sure it's also selected, press on this tool here, and press lasso select. And then we just go around the watermark. You don't have to be that detailed. You just boom, 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 edit, fill, and then pick content aware and OK. It should be done. If it doesn't work, you just press Ctrl Z and do it again, and there we go. We press File, Export as PNG. You name it whatever you want to name it, right? And then save. And there you have it. 2 different ways to remove the watermark. So all of these images that I showed you examples on how to create. You can use them for your ads. You can use them for your website instead of having these backgrounds, you know, to make it more look professional. It doesn't look like it's a dropshipping store. You can have them for your marketing material, for your slides, etc., right? So there's a lot of use cases for this. Thank you guys for watching the whole video. And also I have multiple other guides and prompts in my school community. There will be more weekly. They'll all come on YouTube eventually, but you have the early versions of my school community. And don't forget to subscribe and let me know what other stuff you want me to do and what I can improve. Thank you guys.